A wise woman told us that because it's the Lunar New Year, you should treat yourself to something. So what are we doing? We are getting one of this to sort of the stress too. Let's get it on. Happy Lunar New Year. And we got a gift too. So it feels like Christmas. Happy Lunar New Year. Let's get it on. And look, we got a gift too. So it feels like Christmas as well. Happy Lunar New Year, everyone.